and they're almost identical size.
She's still a baby.
Daisy still has a, good girl.
Yeah, good girl.
Be nice.
Call Katie and tell her it's okay, she can come home now.
Was she scared?
Probably.
There's your picture moment right there.
Oh, really?
I'm just waiting for her to go.
I know, right? That's what I'm like. Please don't be. Uh oh, she's got a bone.
Uh-oh.
Diva's got a bone. Uh oh, Daisy figured it out. Diva.